How to fix Airtel SIM not showing network problem. Hey guys, welcome back to 1 million ideas YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to fix Airtel SIM not showing network problem. So guys, we have 5 steps for the solution, so keep in mind that the last step will be the beneficial steps for you. So let's get started. You have to go to your phone setting, and then guys, you can see here aeroplane mode. Just enable the aeroplane mode. The first step is just enable airplane mode, and then now you have to switch off your phone and restart your phone. The problem will be solved. Now guys, the second step is you have to click on dual SIM and cellular network. You can see here, just click on dual SIM and cellular network. Now you have to select your SIM here, and then guys, you can see here carrier option on the last option. Click here, and then it will be in this process, searching process, and they will give you an option for a network selection. So just wait for a second and watch it. So you have to choose the network from which you wanna take the network. You'll get the network here, and then you have to go back. This is the second step, and the third step is you have to go to your settings, and then you can see here additional settings. Click on additional settings and go to backup and reset. You can see here backup and reset. Go to backup and reset, and then click on reset to factory settings. Click here, and guys, this is the important thing that you have to keep in mind, that you shouldn't reset your data. You have to reset system setting only. You can see here reset system setting only. Click here, and then click your password, and you can reset from here. Now the fourth step is you have to go to your phone settings, and then you can see here software updates. Click on software updates, and then guys, you have to see whether there is anything available for the update. You have to update it, restart your phone, and the problem will be solved. And the fifth step is, guys, you have to call to your customer care, Airtel customer care, and then you have to consult with them. The problem will be solved, because sometimes the sims get automatically dissolved. So this is how you can solve your Airtel SIM not showing network problem. Thanks for watching.